My first try at a hose repair kit. Did it work? Okay, this hose got mowed over. I swear it was not me. I mean, not just a little bit. So, we are going to try to repair it. Never done this before, but it looks easy enough. So I'm going to cut it here. Cut it on this side with some scissors. Okay, I'm gonna go one-handed. Hopefully I get it on the first go. Pretty heavy duty hose. Might need two hands. Okay, it's not perfectly straight, so I'm just gonna trim around the edges with the scissor now that I have a single layer. Okay, still not perfect, but pretty good. It came with a washer, which I'm not gonna use because I don't think I need it. Just gonna slide that into the top. Okay, so I'm gonna put the clamp on first. Slide that down. And then this piece. I'm gonna need two hands for this, but oh, maybe not. So I don't actually know how high to slide this, so I can feel the edge of the metal fitting right here, so I'm gonna leave it right about there. Okay, I pretty much tightened it as tight as I could. I kind of worry about it cutting in here, so, but I still went as tight as I could. Let's try it on and see. Here we go. I don't see any leaks. Oh, wait. I'm going to try it with the washer. Maybe that'll help. Also, this looks a little warped out now, so I'm gonna cut it again. Okay, I did it again. I cut the hose back another 1.5 inches or so. I put the washer in between the brass fitting and the clamp, and now I'm gonna try again. No drip. So I think we have our answer. Turn the pressure up and still no drip. So once I put the spray nozzle on, I noticed there was a little bit of a leak, and that got worse. I turned the pressure off of the nozzle to increase the pressure here, and now it's squirting out. So I backed the clamp off and it got even worse. Okay, I was able to get it to this with full pressure of the hose on and the nozzle turned off. Of course, it's a drippy nozzle, so. But that is as good as I can get, and it is definitely better than this. So we're gonna call it a win for today. Beer bong. I may try another fitting on my back hose, but hopefully this was helpful. If so, please like and subscribe. Have a blessed day.